For decades, Ontario Place stood as a futuristic icon on Toronto's waterfront, a bold vision of innovation, entertainment, and public space. However, as the years passed, neglect crept in, leaving this once vibrant landmark underutilized and crumbling. Now, a new chapter is unfolding. A sweeping transformation is set to breathe life back into Ontario Place, blending its rich history with an ambitious reimagination of the space. Welcome to Focal Point, a channel dedicated to showcasing incredible architectural, interior design, and construction projects across Canada. In this video, we explore the exciting new vision for Ontario Place, reimagined as a vibrant waterfront destination with green spaces, attractions, and community experiences for all to enjoy. Toronto was a natural choice for a world-class wellness destination, and Ontario Place offers the perfect setting for an exciting new development. Known for its stunning waterfront, diverse and welcoming communities, and strong emphasis on health and well-being, Toronto provides an ideal environment for relaxation and rejuvenation.
In 2012, Ontario Place was shut down, and the government at the time was starting to begin the consultation process to invite organizations from around the world to bid on the opportunity to revitalize Ontario Place into a beloved attraction once again. During this time, Thermo was looking at opportunities to explore North American development. And when they recognized the bid for Ontario Place, they saw Toronto, they saw its culture, its diversity, its connection to water, and quickly recognized, if we're going to bring Thermo to North America, what better place than Toronto?
Ontario Place was always intended to be a place of enjoyment for Torontonians, and we're really excited about delivering a new free public area. Our intention is to make sure that it's a world-class facility again.
Honoring the legacy of the site, including the beloved Cinesphere and pods, the redevelopment will weave together lush parklands, rooftop trails, and a dramatically expanded beach.
Without change, sustainable change, without that, there will not be the islands of Ontario Place. The revitalization of Ontario Place requires a resiliency approach. It's absolutely critical. We have climate change issues. The island is being eroded and slowly eaten away. And the shoreline itself, and this is actually critical, is not fully sustainable. It is a rubble shoreline that is asphalted in concrete. We're actually transforming that to make it not only just accessible and resilient for the next 50 years, we've actually integrated the entire shoreline into aquatic habitat, providing over 6 acres of aquatic habitat, which will focus on the health of the lake itself.
With an architectural vision that merges exhibition-style pavilions with the transparency of greenhouse structures, the design evokes both modernity and nature's restorative power.
The building has emerged as a public space, a roof space which is green, which is planted, which is an active, accessible, 24/7 public park space on the roof that is woven through with a campus that really create this fulsome integration of architecture and landscape. That's accompanied by a new, very large public beach the size of Sunnyside Beach, one of the largest new beaches on the whole of the waterfront. 16 acres of park space in total on the West Island created by Thermo. And it's important to recognize that that is accessible, public, without cost, 24/7, 12 months of the year. And that space is a greater extent of public space than has ever existed in that sector of Ontario Place.
To have a place right here in the city where you can go and you feel like you're going on holidays, that you get to spend time with your family, that you feel like you've gone away, but you haven't, and it's accessible to you, I mean, that's really special.
More than just a spa, this project will redefine public access to the waterfront, ensuring that Ontario Place is not just remembered, but reborn. To see more projects like these, subscribe on YouTube and sign up for our newsletter at focalpoint.ca. Together, let's uncover these incredible projects and bring them into the spotlight.